Welcome to Review Lab. The best jewelry tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in the creation of stunning and intricate jewelry pieces, acting as the silent partner to a jeweler's creativity and precision. Whether you're a seasoned artisan crafting bespoke engagement rings or a budding enthusiast experimenting with DIY projects, the right set of tools can dramatically elevate your work, transforming complex techniques into manageable steps and ensuring professional quality results that truly shine. Investing in quality equipment isn't just about acquiring implements. It's about empowering your artistic vision and bringing your most ambitious designs to life with confidence and finesse. Number 5. PAXCOO Jewelry Making Supplies Kit with Tools. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive jewelry making kit. It includes everything you need to craft beautiful pieces from start to finish. This set features 3 essential jewelry pliers: round nose, wire cutting, and chain nose. They are designed with non-slip handles and double leaf springs for precise and safe handling. You'll find a vast assortment of 845 jewelry findings, including various jump rings, clasps, eye pins, and earring hooks, to bring your designs to life. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this kit simplifies jewelry making and repairs. It's perfect for all your DIY jewelry projects. This all-in-one kit contains not only the pliers but also copper wire, beading string, needles, tweezers, a caliper, and a convenient zip pouch for storage. Don't worry if the pliers have a protective oil coating, it prevents rust. Simply wipe them clean before use and reapply oil for storage to maintain their condition. What we like? This kit is a fantastic all-in-one solution for anyone looking to start their jewelry making journey. It includes not only the essential tools but also a wide variety of findings and wires to get you creating immediately. If you are a beginner or looking for a convenient way to get all your supplies in one package, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The tool is very sturdy and well made, perfect for detailed work. It has a comfortable grip that allows for precise control. The variety of attachments included makes it versatile for different jewelry making tasks. Number 4. Eigen P6 6-inch Ultra Sharp Side Cutter Clippers. Experience precision with our ultra-sharp wire cutters. The extended cutting edge effortlessly snips electrical wire up to 12 AWG, ensuring a clean cut every time. Achieve a smooth, flat, and clean cut with its specialized flush cut design. This tool is perfect for various tasks including crafting, floral arrangements, and electrical work. Crafted from high-hardness chrome vanadium tool steel, these clippers are heat-treated for exceptional durability. Its precision ground angled head makes it one of the strongest 6-inch wire clippers available. Designed for comfort and efficiency, the perfect length provides excellent leverage. The spring-loaded mechanism significantly reduces hand fatigue during use. We stand by the quality of our product. If your flush cutter ever fails for any reason, simply contact our customer service for a hassle-free solution. What we like? If you need precision and a clean cut every time, these cutters are your go-to. Their ultra-sharp, long cutting edge and specialized flush cutting design make them ideal for detailed work where a smooth finish is crucial. For crafters, florists, or anyone working with fine wires and materials, these offer superior performance and durability. What people say. The pliers are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for detailed work. The set includes a variety of useful tools for jewelry making, all of good quality. I appreciate the comfortable grip on the tools, making them easy to handle for extended periods. Number 3. B7000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue Kit. Discover the upgraded B7000 Glue Kit, your all-in-one solution for all your crafting needs. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Experience unparalleled precision with our anti-clogging cap and ultra-fine tip. It allows for controlled application of small adhesive drops, perfect for intricate designs. Achieve a strong, permanent bond with this professional-grade jewelry glue. Its high viscosity ensures a firm hold that won't yellow over time, offering waterproof durability. Get your projects done faster with its quick-drying formula. It sets in just 3 minutes at room temperature and fully cures within 24 to 48 hours for reliable results. This multi-purpose adhesive works on a wide range of materials, from phones and jewelry to fabrics and paper. Let your imagination run wild with its endless possibilities. Enhance your crafting experience with the included precision tools. The wax pencil, tweezers, and dotting pens make handling small embellishments and applying glue effortless. What we like. For projects requiring a strong, flexible, and waterproof bond, this adhesive is unparalleled. Its transparent nature and precision tip make it perfect for intricate work like attaching rhinestones, gems, or small components without mess. If you're working on detailed crafts, jewelry, nail art, or even phone repairs, this glue ensures a lasting and professional finish. What people say. The fine tip allows for exact placement without messy drips or excess glue, making it perfect for delicate rhinestone work and intricate jewelry repairs. Once cured, the bond is incredibly strong yet maintains flexibility, so my pieces can withstand normal wear without cracking or breaking at the glue joints. It has a good grip and it's very durable. Small amount of the adhesive really holds. The bond is strong, durable, and looks as good as new. Unlike other glues I've used, this one has a metal insert in the tip that keeps the glue from drying up or getting gunky. It also prevents overflow, so it stays clean and easy to use long term. Number 2. Mr. Penn Jewelry Pliers Set, 3-pack. Introducing the Mr. Penn 3-pack Jewelry Pliers. This essential kit includes needle-nosed pliers, round-nosed pliers, and side cutters, all designed to make your jewelry making process smoother. The round-nosed pliers feature curved edges, perfect for effortlessly creating loops and curves. Their long needle-nose counterparts are incredibly versatile for precise picking, placing, shaping, and holding. Each tool comes with comfortable, blue-handled grips. To ensure longevity and prevent rusting, they are coated with oil. Simply wipe them clean before use and reapply oil for storage. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, these pliers are ideal for all your jewelry making needs. Achieve professional results with ease. Your set includes 3 essential tools: needle-nosed pliers for intricate work, round-nosed pliers for shaping, and side cutters for clean wire snipping. All designed for your convenience. What we like. This set of 3 essential jewelry pliers offers a comfortable and effective solution for various jewelry tasks. With specially designed handles and tips, they make shaping, cutting, and manipulating wires a breeze. If you appreciate comfortable grip and precise control for both professional and DIY jewelry projects, this set is an excellent addition to your toolkit. What people say. The pliers are comfortable to hold, easy to control, and well-sized for detailed work. The wire cutters cut cleanly, and the other pliers are perfect for bending and shaping without slipping. The set comes with a variety of pliers, including round nose, flat nose, and chain nose pliers, as well as wire cutters. This variety covers all the basic needs for crafting intricate pieces of jewelry. The handles are ergonomically designed, making them comfortable to hold for extended periods of time without causing any strain on my hands. The jaws meet perfectly without any wobbling, ensuring precise and accurate manipulation of wires and findings. Additionally, the wire cutters are sharp and precise, making clean cuts every time without any fraying or deformation of the wire. Number 1. Ohuhu 192 PCS Upgraded Watch Repair Kit. Introducing the Ohuhu 192-piece Upgraded Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for professional-level watch maintenance. Its versatile and adjustable design ensures compatibility with most watches, from case opening to battery replacement and band resizing. The included magnetic screwdriver simplifies intricate tasks. All the tools are neatly organized in a durable PU leather carrying case, making it easy to take your repairs on the go. Clear instructions are provided for users of all skill levels. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this kit is built for strength and longevity. It even includes valuable spare parts for extended use. This practical and durable kit makes an ideal gift for any watch enthusiast or craftsman. Give the gift of precision and convenience. What we like. If you're serious about watch maintenance or repair, this heavy-duty kit is indispensable. It provides all the specialized tools needed for everything from resizing bands to replacing batteries and opening cases. For watch enthusiasts or anyone who needs reliable tools for intricate watch work, this kit offers professional quality and convenience. What people say. The construction is all metal and the lash is reasonable and grip the back of the watch chase tightly for a clean grip and easy removal. This kit is a tremendous value. Filled with the basic essential tools needed for battery replacement, band or bracelet installation or adjustment, case back removal, etc. Comes with assortment of spring pins, micro screwdrivers, tweezers, punches, Can be used on other jobs as too, so it's versatile beyond just watches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.